we're at this really neat little free campground on conservation property, Saline Valley Conservation, and look at this mess.
That's an old suitcase.
Is that what that is? It's an old suitcase?
It's been burned. It's had clothes and stuff.
Oh, nice. That's kind of creepy.
Somebody likes Fireball. I dug all that out of the fire pit. There's a bunch of aluminum cans and stuff.
So, we're going to clean this mess up. Somebody else left behind. Take your trash with you, people. We're doing something new. We got us a cast iron skillet, and we're gonna try to cook some dinner on it. This will either turn out really good or it'll be a big disaster. We will see. Starting to get a little brown.
Hey, I'm not really hungry.
Yeah, this is gonna take a little bit. There's a pond over there. We're gonna, well, we aren't gonna fish, but I'll watch Jesse fishing later. The smoke's blowing right at me. That sizzle. We season that meat up, throw in a little can of tomato sauce, and we're gonna have our own homemade manwich stuff. Yummy, yummy. Alright, looks like it turned out pretty good. I'm gonna taste it. But it smells really good. Cooked up pretty quick too. So dinner was good, and now it's time for a little wine. A little bit of a stream running here. Don't want to step in the dog poo. Well, this is a pretty good sized little pond here. Catch anything yet?
Not yet.
Catch anything yet?
Well, have you seen me pull anything?
No.
Okay.
It's burning hot.
And he takes off.
Yeah, he's not big on fire though. Whoa. Oh, I got stuck roast on wieners.
As you can see, there's a few campers here. And there's probably about 10 to 12 spots. And then there's that big round turnaround, but you can camp in that too. There's like, I mean, no specific. You're supposed to stay on the gravel. Unless you're a tent, of course. You see those rolling hills in the background there. It's a pretty area. So, something that's a little intriguing about this area is the fact that it is supposedly haunted. And I guess there was supposed to have been a Bigfoot sighting here in like 2012. I don't know what to think about that, because Bigfoot.
I know, I'm calling Bobo.
So it's supposed to be haunted, and I'm not really for sure haunted with what, but I'm assuming this is probably American Indian area.
Don't forget too, in that, believing that kind of stuff, that girl was killed. That little girl was swept away.
Oh yeah. We never did look it up to see when that happened. It's been some years ago, I guess. Yeah, there was a family camping down by the creek here, and storms come in, and the creek rose, and they were washed away. And was it just one little girl passed away in that flooding accident? So we don't know if that's where the story come from about the place being haunted, but I think the rumors of the hauntings was from way back. And Jesse was talking to this guy over here, but he said he was here last night, and he said he saw some strange things like in the sky or something, or
lights that was only barely above the treetops, and they were flashing.
Flickering lights above the treetops. So I don't know. I'm a little intrigued. So when it gets dark, I guess I'll have to walk out here and check it out.
I don't like marshmallows. Mom.
Oh, there you go. It's raining. Jesse's up there fishing. See him up there? He's determined to catch a fish. Oh, did he catch something? You can't go outside, it's raining. Why don't you get your baby? Where's your baby? Get your baby. Well, where's your baby? Find your baby. There it is. The homemade man-witch stuff worked out okay and was really good. We're doing a little breakfast this morning. So we're making some bacon. And a little bit eggs, right? Eggs and bacon, for which I can't eat the eggs, but eggs and bacon for breakfast. Well, I didn't get to really film that. The skillet was so hot from cooking the bacon that it's still a little gooey right there. But it's like cooking the egg off of the fire. Looks good though. How you like this cast iron campfire cooking? Well, I like it because I don't have to cook. at him. That's bass, right?
Yep.
This creek is just a smidge down the road from where we were camping. And while we did not experience any paranormal activity as claimed in that area while we were camping, we did mention the loss of life that happened some time ago. And this memorial is just on the other side of that creek. And we were a little incorrect about the story. It was actually 2 little girls that lost their lives in a flood while the family was camping in this area. So this memorial is here in dedication to them. Their names were Amanda and Sarah. I'm unsure of the date, and there may be a date on this large stone here, but I don't want to move all the little gifts that's been left for the girls to see if there's a date. We were told probably early 90s, and that makes a lot of sense because in like 93 there was serious flooding all over Missouri, and then I think again I believe in 95. And so we're thinking that that's probably about when this happened. It's very sad to think that 2 little girls lost their lives when what was supposed to be, you know, a fun and happy weekend. And we hate to end the video like this, but we thought it would be nice to pay our respects to these 2 little girls.